Hi friends, good evening. Myself Chandanji. Today I am explaining about subject research methodology and IPR. It's a topic about process of research. Introduction of research. The introduction of a research paper or study serves as the opening section that provides context, set the stage, and outlines the purpose and significance of the research. It's play a crucial role in grabbing the reader's attention, helping them understand the background of the study, and generating interest in the research topic. Here how to structure and write an effective introduction for your research. Begin your introduction with a compelling and attention grabbing statement, and question or statistic that relates to your research topic. The goal is pique the reader's interest and make them want to continue reading. Process of research. Identify the problem. First one of the process of research is identifying the problem. Finding an issue or formulating or research question is the first step. A well defined research problem will guide the researcher through all stages of the research process, from setting objectives to choosing a technique. There are number of approaches to get insight into a topic and gain a better understanding of it, such as a preliminary survey, case studies, interviews with a small group of people, observational survey. These four helps us to more to understand the problem. A preliminary survey, case studies, interviews with a small group of people, observational survey. Evaluate the literature. A thorough examination of relevant studies is essential to the research process. It enables the researcher to identify the precise aspects of the problem. Once a problem has been found, the investigator or a researcher needs to find out more about it. Second one, this stage gives a problem zone background. It teaches the investigator about previous research, how they were conducted, and its conclusions. The researcher can build consistency between his work and others through a literature review. Such a review exposes the researcher to a more significant body of knowledge and helps him follow the research process efficiently. Third one, creates hypothesis. Formulating an original hypothesis is the next logical step after narrowing down the research topic and defining it. A belief solves logical relationships between variables in order to establish a hypothesis. A researcher must have a certain amount of expertise in the field. Third one, it is important for researchers to keep in mind while formulating a hypothesis that it must be based on research topic. Researchers are able to concentrate their efforts and stay committed to their objectives when they develop theories to guide their work. This hypothesis is important for a researcher because it's all things are based on the research topic, so it is very important to the researchers. Fourth one, the research design. Research design is the plan for achieving objectives and answering research questions. It outlines how to get the relevant information. Its goal it is to design research to test hypotheses, address the research questions, and provide decision making insights. The research design aims to minimize the time, money, and efforts it required to acquire meaningful evidence. This plan fits into four categories: exploitation, exploration and surveys, experiment, data analysis, observation. Then data collection is important, is obtaining the knowledge or information required to answer the research issue. Every research collect data either from the literature or the people being studied. Data must be collected from the two categories of researchers. These sources may provide primary data, experiment, questionnaire, observation, interview. Secondary data categories are literature survey, official, unofficial reports, and approach based on library resource. Sixth one, data analysis. During research design, the researcher plans data analysis. After collecting data, the researcher analyzes it. The data is examined based on the approach in this step. The researcher findings are reviewed and reported. Data analysis involves a number of closely related stages, such as setting up categories, applying these categories to raw materials through coding and tabulation, and then drawing statistical conclusions. The researcher can examine the acquired data using a variety of statistical methods. Second one, the report writing. After completing these steps, the researcher must prepare a report detailing his findings. The reporter must be carefully composed with the following in mind. The eighth one, describe population. A research project usually look at a specific group of people, facilities, or how technology is used in the business. In research, the term population refers to this study group. The research topic the research topic the research topic and purpose help determine the study group. Thank you everyone.